you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today's video, we're opening up something a little different. It's been a while since I got like a limited edition box, but I did redeem some points and I purchased this on Black Friday. I didn't really do any Black Friday shopping, but I did have some points with Birchbox, and I think everything was like 20% off or something like that. So I used my points, I redeemed it for this box and a few other things. So I didn't really spend money, but I did get to shop a little bit and use some points I had added up. But anyways, so today we're opening up the Birchbox limited edition Hygge box, which is probably like one of the most mispronounced words ever, and I hope I am saying it correctly. This is what the box looks like. I haven't opened it yet, but this is so cute. This is definitely a reusable box, and I think adds value to the actual purchase. So Birchbox, if you do not know, I actually opened it up 2 days ago, I think, but Birchbox is a beauty subscription. It costs $15 a month. I'm gonna link my most recent video down below so you can check that out if you missed that. But they also have a website in addition to their subscription services where you can shop for makeup and skincare, beauty tools, really a lot of good stuff, and they often have great deals like they did on Black Friday. And they also have limited edition boxes. So this is one of their limited edition boxes, the Hygge box. So Hygge means like comfort, coziness. It's like a lifestyle. It's really become big, I think, over the past year. So this box was $60, but has a retail value of $154. So great value. I guess we'll have to see what's inside before I really determine that. But I thought this would be fun to do, a little different, switch things up on our channel. And also, this could potentially be a great gift idea. So hopefully we like everything that's inside. I will link the specific box down below along with that video link that I was talking about, the Birchbox December unboxing. And I will also link down below my giveaway that ends tonight. So if you have not yet entered my California Found giveaway, definitely check that out below. But anyways, let's get started and see what is in this adorable box. I love how it's circular. I have to like think, what am I going to store in here? Anyway, so I'm taking the top off, and this is what it looks like. So that is how you spell the word, if you could see. So it is hard to pronounce. I think it's Swedish. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but anyways, it says Birchbox limited edition. Hello, Hygge, and it says Hygge equals happy. And it says nothing says you time more than the Danish. Okay, it's Danish. Danish concept of Hygge, pronounced Hygge. Or have I been saying it wrong? Hygge. I guess I was already pronouncing it wrong in the beginning. I thought it was Hygge. It says Hygge in here. Whatever, close enough, right? But pronounced Hygge. It's all about embracing that feeling of coziness, comfort, and well-being. I love that. I'm all about that lifestyle. So then on the back, it lists all of the products that come inside along with their retail value. So I will reference this as we go along. Oh my gosh, the first thing I noticed, I've been wanting to try something from this brand. I didn't know this was going to be in here. This is by 430 Beauty, which is ColourPop's sister brand. So it's like their skincare brand. This is 430 Beauty, the lightweight hydrator. I didn't know they had 430 Beauty products through Birchbox. Maybe it's only in this limited edition box, but this is exciting. I've heard good things about it, like mixed reviews, but like some products people really like. It says the good stuff. This contains squalane. That's really good. I love that. I have that in several of my skincare products. It says squalane is known to improve the moisture balance and elasticity of the skin. So this is supposed to be used in the morning. It's hydrating. It's called the Lightweight Hydrator. Provides oil-free, refreshing hydration for healthy, balanced skin. The Lightweight is a fluid formula containing naturally derived squalane. It absorbs quickly without the greasy residue, leaving skin soft, smooth, and makeup ready. Developed without dyes, harsh chemicals, or fragrances that can cause irritation or breakouts. Nice. And then it tells you the routine. Massage into clean skin using upward strokes. Layer on as much as your skin needs. Perfect for daytime. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, vegan. Nice. So they provide a lot of information on the actual box, so let's look at the actual product. This is so exciting. It doesn't have the price on here, but I know it's really affordable. So this is what it actually looks like. A little pump. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand to see. Oh, and it locks. That's cool, so you could travel with this easily. Oh yeah, it's like liquid consistency kind of. Yeah, it's very lightweight. It's a really liquidy formula. It has a little bit of a scent, but definitely a light fragrance. So Awesome. I'm definitely excited to try this brand out. If you guys have tried Forthright Beauty, definitely comment down below what your favorite products are. I'd love to check them out at some point. And next up we have DermaE Arnica Warming Sore Muscle Rub. This is made with hemp seed and peppermint oils. And this is what it looks like. This is $13.99, and it says, this peppermint and arnica cream soothes and conditions achy muscles, and it says tip, use it after a hot bath. Cool, I don't think I have anything like this, so this is definitely something good to have. Oh my gosh, I used to have this and I ran out. So this was my melatonin I would use at nights when I like really wanted to sleep well. So this is by Hum Beauty. These are the Beauty Z's, helps promote a restful beauty sleep, melatonin B6. I'm honestly really happy to get these. I don't take melatonin all the time. I think I've read before you shouldn't take it every single night. But definitely out of all like sleep supplements, I think this is the most natural and the first I would recommend over other items. Let's see, where is this on here? So this is $10 and it says, this natural melatonin supplement promotes restful sleep, and it says tip, shut off electronics an hour before bed. I've heard that, but I'm so bad about that. I like watch YouTube until I fall asleep. Next up, oh nice, this is by Daily Concepts. This is their Daily Headband, comfortable, controls hair and protects from moisture. I've had several items from Daily Concepts before, like I have like a body scrubber, I've had their hair wraps. I think there was like an exfoliating soap I've had before, but this is a headband, and it says this soft headband keeps hair off your face when cleansing and applying moisturizers and makeup. And it says, experience Hygge with friends, invite some over for a mask party. Yeah, this would be perfect for masks. I'm gonna get this open and show you. I think it just looks like a basic hair mask. I need my scissors to get this out. Yep, I like the color of this. This is cute. I'm gonna totally put this in my bathroom. I will totally use this when I wash my face, because sometimes I do get my hair wet on accident, so definitely useful. Love the color. Next up, we have something by Glow Recipe. Comes in this bag. This is their Watermelon Glow Sleepy Mask. I have their Watermelon Moisturizer. I just haven't gotten around to using it since I have so much skincare. I've heard good things about this brand. So this is the Watermelon Glow Sleepy Mask, like I've already said. The silky soft overnight mask moisturizes skin as it smooths out fine lines. It says tip, hydrate skin from the inside out, drink a cold glass of H2O. So I want to get this out. So it's in a resealable bag, but I don't think you really need to keep it in there. I really want to smell it and see if it's like watermelon. So I don't think this is full size, but it is 30 mLs or 1 fluid ounce. So you can definitely get multi-use out of this. And there is a safety seal. Yeah, I'm seriously struggling to get this off. Oh, there it goes. So this is what I couldn't get off right there. Oh, it smells good. It's like, it smells exactly like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. So nice. This is a cool thing to get in there. It doesn't list the price, so I think that's reflecting that it's not full size. Oh, we got Sunday Riley. This is actually one of the few products I haven't tried. I got a little sample of this before, but I never used it. This is a Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser. It's for all skin types. It contains French green clay and rice oil esters. It says gentle plant-based cleanser that pulls out impurities while pulling in clean hydration for smaller looking pores and a clean, radiant complexion. Nice. The full size of this is $35. This is not the full size though, and it says this extremely gentle foaming cleanser contains a blend of 4 plant-based soaps, and says tip, change into a comfy robe before washing off the clay. Okay. So yeah, this is 1 fluid ounce or 30 mL, so you can definitely get a lot of use of it. It's definitely bigger than the samples I have. The ones I have, I received in my like travel Sunday Riley subscription box, and they're like individual, like little foil packets, which are perfect for travel, but this is great too. This will last a while, and I'm really excited to try it, because if you guys know me at all, you know I like Sunday Riley. Next up, this is by Birchbox. Oh yay, a candle. I love getting candles so much. This is a Birchbox Spiced Rose Hand Poured Scented Candle, and this packaging matches the outside. And this is $15, and it says, its spiced rose fragrance is reminiscent of outdoor celebrations, candlelit meals, and crisp fall air. And it says, tip, enjoy with a glass of rosé. Yes, please. And on here it says, you time. Oh my god, spiced rose describes it perfectly. This smells so good. I really like it. It is spicy. I think even if you're not a huge rose fan, I don't know. I like rose, so I can't really say, but I think this smells really good, and I think a lot of people would enjoy this fragrance. If only you guys can take a whiff. So good. Next up, we have something here. This is Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. This is by Nature Lab Tokyo. Oh, I've tried their shampoo and conditioner in my Birchbox. I'm pretty sure that's where I got it, and I really liked them. I brought it with me actually on my New York trip last month. But it says a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. Apply from ends to scalp, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. Nice. The full size of this is $16, and it says it repairs damaged hair by rebuilding its strength, and let the mask sink in for 3 minutes while you think of a positive affirmation. That's a good idea. Well, there's still several things in here. Next up is by Huara, or I think that's how you say it at least. This is their Candle Nut Hydrating Shower Gel. I've used several things from them before. Right now in my purse I have their like hand and nail cream. This is what this looks like, and it says on here the full size is $28, and this hydrating body cleanser nourishes your skin with candle nut oil. Tip, smell that? What notes can you pick up on? What? So it wants us to kind of... There's a safety seal. Let's see if I can get it off without a struggle. You would think having longer nails would make things easier. Oh, got it. Oh, that smells really good. Does it say on here? So, oh, it says how to pronounce Huara. Juara. So I think you do pronounce the J. It's Indonesian. Juara. Juara. I appreciate that they put the phonetic pronunciation on there, like, so we could figure that out, or I could figure that out. And this is 100% vegetarian. It says Juara is inspired from the Indonesian ancient herbal wellness tradition called Jamu. I don't know. It smells really good though. That's all that matters to me. So nice, I'll definitely use this. The next item is by Christoph Robin. This is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. I have received samples. I think I've gotten Christoph Robin in a Sephora Play in the past. So on here it says the full size would be $53. Wow, that's expensive for a body scrub? Or is this a hair scrub? Yeah, it says rebalance your scalp with this clarifying color safe formula, and then it says tip, create an inviting shower by hanging eucalyptus. So yeah, this is a scalp scrub. I'll totally use this. I like stuff like this. I think it makes a difference, especially when you don't shampoo often. I only do like 2 to 3 times a week, and I find if I go even longer than that, I always try and do some detox thing like this, like a scrub on my scalp. So I'll definitely get some use out of this. I'm excited to try it actually. I've heard good things about the brand, and I like the sample I've tried in the past. It looks like we have 2 things here by Chlorine. Oh, these are eye patches. I've had these before and I really like them. Oh, I'm gonna put these in my beauty fridge after this. I'm really into my new beauty fridge now. I put all my eye products in there. I think it'll help with my puppy problem, my puppy eye problem. But this is Chlorine Smoothing and Relaxing Patches. It's made with soothing corn flour. We have 2 of them here. I think, yeah, 2, so that's nice. I love getting eye patches. And it says on here the full size or the full pack would be $24, and it says these under eye patches have fast acting botanicals that fade lines and circles. Oh, and their tip says to pop them in the fridge for an extra depuffing effect, and I just said I was gonna do that, so definitely a good tip. I think we have one more item in here. Oh, yes, I love nose strips. I have been trying to find a good brand for this. So this is by Star Skin. I've used their foot mask before, that foot peeling mask. Can I speak? That was interesting. But anyway, so this is a 3-step advanced pore cleansing expert system. So there's 2 treatments in here. So strip 1 is a prepping cotton that unclogs the pores. Strip 2 has charcoal, which is deep pore cleansing. And strip 3 has biocellulose and refines the pores. So I've never used like anything like this. I've only used the Biore strips and like some other kind ones that like butchered my nose. So hopefully this doesn't do that. Like seriously like made my skin like peel off. But I don't think this will. This has better ingredients. This is witch hazel, mistletoe, charcoal, and eucalyptus. Wow, this is 6 steps. So step 1, cleanse your face. Step 2, tear open the strip. Then strip 1, step 3, tear open strip 2. Okay, so step 2, you wear it for 10 minutes. So there are actually 3 strips. You don't wear them all at once. I was thinking maybe like there's 3 strips in one. You actually put on 3 different strips. Wow, this is pretty intensive, but like that excites me and I can't wait to use this. If you guys have tried anything like this, I would love to know your experience. But this 3-step advanced pore cleansing expert system is $10 and says clear out pores with these mistletoe, charcoal, and eucalyptus strip masks. It says the 3-step system takes 35 minutes. While you're waiting, start a gratitude journal. Oh, I always start those and then I forget. This is a good reminder. But that is everything. You guys, I think this box was super awesome. Like, I'm getting to try new brands like Fourth Ray Beauty, which is really exciting to me. Even though it's super affordable, I just haven't gotten it because I have so much stuff already. I think after that, I'm really excited about this 35-minute pore like cleansing system because I definitely have a bunch of blackheads on my nose. I kind of always have, and I try and take care of it. So I'm excited to see how this helps, and if it does, I will definitely purchase more. Excited to restock my melatonin. I'm excited about everything. I think this is so good. And right now I can smell this candle. It smells great. And I mean, of course I'm happy to get Sunday Riley. You guys know me, I love Sunday Riley. So yeah, I think this box was great. You guys have to let me know your opinions down below. Again, I will link this box, and yeah, I think this is a good reminder for me to practice more Hygge. I still don't know if I'm saying that word right. Why is it so hard? I just wish things were spelled like how they sounded. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.